Meet Paul Erik Vestergaard Andersen. He is head of Vestjyllands Andel's starfish protein factory located in GreenLab. Here, Paul and his team turn starfish, shrimp shells, and grass into a sustainable protein source by dehydrating the biomass. The protein is a green alternative to CO2-heavy soy imports. It is used as an ingredient in organic feed for swine and poultry farms. The resources come from local industries around GreenLab. Farmers supply the factory with locally harvested grass, and fisheries contribute with shrimp shells and starfish, an invasive species which disrupts the natural balance of the local ecosystem. The Starfish Factory is a great example of how BioValley resources can be integrated into the sector coupling energy mix. This is circular economy in action, and nothing goes to waste in this agricultural value chain. It's a living example of GreenLab's philosophy, which is to create the best possible value from our natural resources.